Be too great at time, but we're like two different pieces of a puzzle that doesn't fit. So she just has to let me go. So exhausted from wandering these same aisles, looking at the same artwork, triggering the same thoughts loops year after year. I can't believe it's been 3 years. Unchanging, so devastating. That lady behold drama, and I mean the limerence. Just swamped in that emotion hair. The whole state of this house is so thick with it, like molasses, man. Just 3 days left in it. I'm excited to pack it in and totally switch gears and never, ever, ever even think about lady behold drama again. Ever. You have to monitor your mental health and make sacrifices in order to assert your boundaries sometimes. It's just phantoms, I'm haunted, heartbroken, still in the stage of grief, of denial. Phantom phone calls, phantom sightings, I feel like I just saw her, which is strange. Probably blue dew dreams, I feel like she comes and visits me every night. And I don't like it, I don't want it, I don't want her to be able to find me in the astral world, in my subconscious, in the real world. World or anything else, the same kind of imagination singers that used to allow us to project till blown on by this phantom. I don't know, but we're going to calling myself for this one. We're gonna call it an overactive imagination, the same kind of imagination that used to allow us to project into the action figures and create wonderful tales on the scale. The same attribute has turned into a wound because we fantasize what could be.